Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Daily Vibes, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hello, Julia. Hello, everyone.
How are you today, Steve?
I am doing great. I have my warm coffee and I am totally ready.
Oh, amazing. I have my tea right here. I am super happy today.
You look very happy. Why are you so excited today, Julia?
Because today we have a very special topic, Steve.
I love special topics. What is it about?
Well, today we are going to learn how to talk about a place everyone loves visiting on weekends.
A place everyone? Is it the beach?
No, not the beach, but close. It is a big place with many shops, delicious food, and fun things to do.
Ah, I know. The shopping mall.
Exactly. Today we are taking a trip to the mall.
That is fantastic. The mall is perfect for learning real English.
Yes. But before we start, Steve, we must remind our wonderful listeners about something important.
Oh, yes. Please, everyone, hit that like button right now.
Yes, a big thumbs up helps our channel grow.
And do not forget to subscribe to English Daily Vibes.
Exactly. Share this video with your friends and family who are also learning English.
Yes, sharing is caring. Now, Julia, do you have a secret tip for us today?
Oh, yes. If you stay with us until the very end of this video, I will share the ultimate golden secret to speaking English without getting nervous at the store.
Wow, a golden secret. I definitely want to hear that.
Me too. So pay attention, keep listening, and let us dive into our story.
I am ready. Let us go to the mall.
Imagine this scenario, Steve. It is Saturday afternoon. The weather is warm and beautiful.
Saturday afternoon, my favorite time of the week.
Exactly. We walk through the big glass doors of the giant shopping mall.
Wow, it is huge. What is the first thing we see, Julia?
We see many different stores. Some people say shops, and some people say stores. Both are correct.
Ah, stores and shops. Like a clothing store or a shoe shop.
Exactly. You are quick today, Steve.
Thank you. But, Julia, my stomach is making noise. I am hungry.
Oh, Steve. We just arrived. But okay, let us go to the food court first.
The food court? That is the giant area with many restaurants and lots of tables, right?
Yes. The food court is like a food heaven inside the mall.
Food heaven. I love that metaphor. What can we order?
You can order anything. Hamburgers, pizza, tacos, or sushi.
Yum. Let us stand in line for some Italian pizza.
Great. We walk up to the counter. The polite worker says, "Hello, what would you like to order today?"
Oh, what would you like? That is a very polite question.
It is. And you can answer, "I would like a slice of cheese pizza, please."
I would like a slice of cheese pizza, please. That sounds so smooth.
Yes. Always remember to say please and thank you.
Of course, courtesy is key. Now, after we eat our pizza, where do we go?
We need to buy a new outfit for you, Steve. Let us visit a trendy clothing store.
A clothing store? Oh boy, I hope I do not get confused with sizes.
Do not worry. Sizes are easy. They usually come in small, medium, and large.
Ah, S, M, and L. Small, medium, large.
Exactly. You find a very stylish blue jacket.
Ooh, a blue jacket. My favorite color. But how do I know if it fits me well?
You must try it on.
Try it on. Does that mean putting the clothes on my body to test them?
Yes. You take the jacket to the fitting room or changing room.
Fitting room. Got it. I walk inside, put on the blue jacket, and look in the mirror.
And how does it look, Steve?
It looks amazing. It fits perfectly. I feel like a movie star.
A movie star. I love it. So you decide to buy it.
Yes, I walk to the cashier to pay for it.
The cashier scans the tag and says, "That will be $40, sir."
$40. How can I pay?
You can pay with cash, which means paper bills and coins, or with a card.
I will pay with my debit card. Beep. Done.
Awesome. The cashier hands you a paper bag and a receipt.
Ah, the receipt. That small paper that shows what I bought.
Yes. Never throw away your receipt, Steve.
Why is the receipt so important, Julia?
Because if the jacket breaks or if you change your mind, you need the receipt to return it and get your money back.
Wow, that is a life-saving tip. Always keep the receipt.
Exactly. Now, Steve, imagine you get lost while looking for the exit. What do you do?
Oh no, I am lost. Help!
Stay calm. You just find a friendly person or security guard and use the magic phrase.
The magic phrase? Is it abracadabra?
No, Steve. The phrase is, "Excuse me, where is..."
Ah, excuse me, where is the exit? Or, excuse me, where is the restroom?
Perfect. That simple question opens all doors at the mall.
Wow, Julia, that was such a fun story. Now, let us break down the vocabulary we used.
Yes, step into our English classroom section.
Awesome. The first phrase I noticed was try on. What does try on mean exactly?
Try on is a phrasal verb. It means to test clothing on your body to see if it fits or looks good.
Can you give us another example of try on in real life?
Sure. Before you buy those shoes, you should try them on.
Oh, I see. I always try on hats before I buy them.
Excellent example, Steve. The next word is food court.
Food court. That is the shared dining space in a mall with many fast food options.
Yes. For example, let us meet at the food court at 1 o'clock for lunch.
Perfect. What about the word receipt? The spelling is tricky with a silent P.
Yes, it is spelled RECEIPT, but pronounced receipt.
Receipt. It is the official paper proof of your purchase.
Exactly. Example, please hold on to your receipt in case you want to return the shirt.
That is super clear. And what about fitting room?
A fitting room is the private booth where you try on clothes.
Example. Excuse me, where is the fitting room? I want to test this dress.
Spot on, Steve. And finally, the polite phrase. What would you like?
Used by waiters and shopkeepers all the time. Hello, what would you like to drink?
Exactly. It is much more polite than saying, "What do you want?"
Yes, What would you like? Sounds soft and friendly. I love it.
Now it is time for our favorite part of the episode, engagement and challenge.
Yay! We want to hear from all of our amazing friends listening around the world.
Yes, we have a fun challenge for you today in the comment section.
Are you ready for your homework? Do not worry, it is super easy and fun.
Here is our question. What is your favorite store to visit at the mall?
Do you like clothing stores, bookstores, shoe shops, or the food court?
Tell us in the comments. For example, write, "My favorite store is the bookstore because I love reading."
Or write, I love the food court because pizza is my life.
That sounds like your comment, Steve.
It really is. Also, we have a secret word for this video.
Ooh, what is the secret word today, Steve?
The secret word today is shopping bag.
Shopping bag. If you are watching this video right now, type shopping bag in the comments.
That way we will know you are a true superstar who watched the entire video.
Yes, we reply to as many comments as we can, so write your comment down below.
Julia, the time flew by so fast. But wait, what about the golden secret you promised at the beginning?
The golden tip for speaking English at stores without feeling nervous?
Yes, tell us. I am listening eagerly.
The golden tip is keep it simple and use point and say phrases.
Point and say phrases? What does that mean?
If you forget a vocabulary word at a store, do not panic. Just point to the item, smile, and say, "Can I have this one, please?"
Wow! Can I have this one, please? That is genius. You do not need big words.
Exactly. Communication is about connection, not perfection. A smile and simple words work every single time.
That is such a liberating secret. Smile, point, and be polite.
Let us do a quick recap of what we learned today.
We learned stores, food court, try on, fitting room, cashier, receipt, and excuse me, where is...
What a fantastic lesson. You did an amazing job today, Steve.
Thank you, Julia. Learning English with you is always a blast.
Thank you, everyone, for tuning in to English Daily Vibes. Keep practicing every day.
Stay safe, keep smiling, and see you in the next video.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye.